Oh my goodness. Mmm. Mmm. Welcome to my channel, guys. If you are new into this channel, this is MaryAnn doing mukbang. So the mukbang that I'm gonna do right now is the seafood boil, and I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, I'm gonna take a picture. So there you go. So it smells really good. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is this. Okay, I'm going to try first how it tastes like itong. It's good. So what I'm gonna do is this. I'm going to put all the seasoning to the food. All of this, I got this in the store, and this is the shrimp. It's frozen from, I think, from Stop and Shop. This is Devon shrimp. You know, it's clean. It's good. I'm going to add lemon here, guys. Right here. So ito yung dinner ko. I just got this. This one is frozen. The king crab. It's frozen from Walmart. So yun. It's really good. It's good. I love it, and it's all. Okay, let's do the crab. This knuckle, always good. I did seafood boil before, guys, and the seafood boil is always good. The knuckle. Tommy also got the, how do you call this, the tail. Oh no, the king crabs. No, this is not. This is a king crabs. The other one, guys, the other one, I forgot. King crabs and lobster. Yeah, lobster tail. Yeah. Oh my god, this is really good. Oh my god, I love it. This is really good. Yung itong I don't know if you can see. So good. I will put you a little down. Yeah. There you go. Itong juice na ito, guys, is sobrang sarap. Itong, you know, itong butter na to. So good. The butter. I add lemon na. So good. Get something on your kitchen. So good. Oh my god. Oh, this is really good. Oh my god. The bum. Oh my goodness. And it's not too crazy spicy. It's spicy, but it's not freaking crazy spicy. I can handle the spiciness because Tabasco, the pepper flakes, and yung paprika. Yeah. Tignan nyo, guys, sobrang laki. Di ba malaki siya? At saka malaman-laman. It's really, look, oh my god, look, tignan nyo. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so good. Some people boil their seafood with scallops, potato and ang tawag ito, potato and yung seafood, yung hot dogs or sausage, yun ganyan. Pero this time I don't feel like adding more because, you know, I don't usually eat potato and I cannot find scallops. I don't want to eat the sausage with this, so that's why I just have the king crabs, the shrimp, and corn. So good. Oh my god. I have to put juice in it. Oh my god, it's so sweet. Have this over there. It's super hot. It's squirting, guys. Let's have this leg. Oh my god. Look at this. The dipping, the butter, guys, so good with a lot of spices in it. Oh my goodness. The bomb. Oh my goodness. Kahit maliit na, even though the inside is small, so good. Yes, it's messy. What can I tell you? Spicy, spicy. The shrimp is big. Open another one. There you go. Look how big it is, guys. If you don't like the messiness, well, seafood, you cannot use, you know, fork into this one. Look, tignan nyo, guys. Tignan nyo, guys. Hindi nag-focus, guys, pero sarap talaga siya, guys. So good. Guys, it's September already, guys, and it's fall. Roxy's staring at me. Oh my god, this is so good. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so good. I'm just watching the news. It's funny. Channel 2. Kristen Johnson and Deborah. Oh my god. Good. I'm sorry, yo, rocks. You cannot have these rocks. It's so funny. You can do this in your home. buy seafood, mix different kind of seafood, and then boil it. And look in YouTube. There's a lot of how to boil seafood, the seasoning that you add, the butter, the stuff. This butter is so good, guys. This is spicy, but it's not. No, spicy, but it's not really crazy spicy. Next. Did you hear that? He's crying because he want to eat. So good, bag. Habs, enough. You're demanding. You're so demanding. Okay, guys. So good. So good. Oh my god. So good. The corn, so sweet. Sweet corn. This is really messy. This one is not cut though, so I have to cut it. Stop. That was me burping oil. Okay, let's do the big one, guys. Big one. Yeah. Big one. Big one. Oh my goodness. Ay, no bag. Ay, no bag. It's so good. King crabs, why you're so good? Meat. So good. Oh, tame. Hold on. Hold on, guys. They don't really cut it, but I'll cut it myself. Oh, they cut it like this way. They cut it this way. Okay. Tignan nyo, guys. They cut it this way. Hoy, Hubs! Tignan nyo, guys, yun. Hey! You don't respect me eating here? Ha, bag? You just want to join us, bag? Okay. I'm just gonna, there's a lot of meat inside, but I'm just gonna, This is really hard, guys. This part. Plus, I have two crazy dogs. How can I open this? You know, it's kind of hard. Behave! Behave! Oh my goodness, it's really hard. It's so good. There's no one in there, but the inside of this claw, it's very meaty. Open this and that I can eat it. Sarap. some juice in it because I'm just, you know. Oh my god. I miss corn that you sugba. You grill the corn. I miss that. Okay. Last piece. The video ended. So, yeah, I'm just doing this the last piece of crab. Oh my god. No, so good. Tell more. Tried. You have to make noises to let me know that they're around. And leave me something, mama, because they're hungry at 6 o'clock. You should make this kind of sauce if you're boiling. If you wanna know, if you guys wanna know how I make this, how I made the butter, watch my vlog, I vlog it. Yeah, I do daily vlogging. If you are new into this channel, I just want you to know. Oh my god, the knuckle part, the best part. Oh my god, look at that, guys, it's all meat. So good. I appreciate you guys. You've been watching till the end of this video. I always appreciate guys you watch the video till the end. Always appreciate it. Sa time na binigyan niyo sa akin guys to watch my video, thank you. So good. That's it for the video guys. That's it for the mukbang. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hey guys, thank you guys so much for watching this mukbang, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. And yeah, bye. Look at her, she's good in U-turn. Look. You U-turn, mom. I made a U-turn. Look guys, she's gonna get